How to Rickroll someone on WhatsApp. Okay, in this quick video I'm going to show you a quick way how to Rickroll your friends on WhatsApp. This will also work on any other messaging device or any email that you want to share that you can share a link with. Okay, so first what you need to do is go to YouTube and search up for the video. Next, click on share under the video. Then what you want to do is click on copy to copy the link of this video. So I've just done that. Next, you want to go to the website called Bitly, which I'm already on. Scroll down to where it says shorten your link, and then in there you just paste the link to that YouTube video that you just copied, and then click on shorten. So then that's now changed the YouTube link to a Bitly link. Now, if you shared the YouTube link, they'd get a short preview of what the video was, and that way it wouldn't work. You wouldn't be able to Rickroll them because they'd know what they were clicking on. But with the Bitly link, it doesn't come up with that short preview. Next, what you want to do, copy the link, and then go to WhatsApp, go to a chat, paste it in the chat, and then you can send it to somebody and Rickroll them. And that's all it takes to Rickroll someone on WhatsApp. If you like this video, I'd love it if you subscribe to the channel, hit like on the video, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.